Right, this is the screw saw machine. The power switch is either a push button or a toggle switch found usually on the left side of the screw saw. And this is the restrainer. You can adjust the knob to the thickness of the acrylic. And I'm going to show you how to saw away the unwanted middle portion here. So you switch on the machine, the mains, and then you turn on the machine, going slow. What I would like to highlight is that this is the danger area, so never place your hand or fingers here. And also, you see where your pencil line mark is, you align the saw towards you. You are standing right in front of the screw saw. As your acrylic moves backwards, you can move your hands behind or by the side. These are all the safe region. The only danger zone is in front here. So be extra careful and make sure when you switch off the screw saw blade has stopped moving. Then you can proceed to retrieve the piece that's cut out. Now for my design, I will have to cut in here as well as here because I'll be bending this part. So when I saw in here, I will retract. And then I will saw in here, I will retract. So let me show you. So this is the result of the cut part. Of course, it is always a human nature to brush things off. It'll be good to use a brush to dust off all the acrylic dust away. Now, the pencil lines are only guidelines for you. You can accidentally saw into the pencil line, it's okay. We can always file it to the new surface area or edge. So I will be continuing to cut out all this part. And the good thing about the screw saw blade is it's thin, so it allows you for irregular curves cut in and out. If you imagine that the saw is so broad, alright, you cannot turn easily. So this is the good thing about the screw saw. I've just sawn off this half of the acrylic. I will proceed to show you the sawing of a bit of this part, and then I'll pause the video to complete the saw. Pause here for now. Now, as mentioned earlier, we do not blow using our mouth the dust away. We use what we call the brush. So sometimes, as you saw, you can't really see where your pencil line mark is. You can stop the machine first and then you brush off. Another thing is about the dust may fly into your eyes, especially if the wind is strong. But in the workshop, it shouldn't be. These are safety goggles that you can find easily in the workshop to put on. If you're wearing glasses, it is already fine. You don't have to wear these safety goggles. For those who wear glasses, if you want, you have to choose the larger size one, because you're also wearing your own spectacles behind. If you're sawing near the very edge line of the acrylic piece, you can use other waste acrylic as a guide and buffer for you to control the scroll saw. I've completed the sawing out of my acrylic piece. So this is the result as is. We will proceed to doing the shaping stage. So we have done the marking out and now is the cutting out. The next thing is to do a little bit of shaping using files, alright, such as the hand file and the flat file.